Ladies and gentlemen, I present you with the exciting future of the automobile, the Fisker Karma. As you can see, the technology in this car has given the possibility to create some quite dramatic proportions. In the front of the vehicle, we have a small four-cylinder gasoline engine with quite a large generator, and therefore the long hood, but gives this amazing what we call dash-to-axle proportions, which really give some sexy view on this car, specifically over the front fenders. You're able to see the sculpture through the front of the car, which is something that you've kind of missed, I think, in a few years. As you go down through the car, you'll see it has a lot of spotty shape. You get to the back of the car, you see the big haunches on the rear, how the car really sits on its wheels, very dynamic, very powerful. Through the center of the car, we have a dominant center console, which houses the lithium-ion battery pack, which is very large, and therefore the chassis is specifically designed to house this battery pack. Essentially, if you plug this car in your normal electrical outlet at home and let it charge overnight, you will be able to drive the first 50 miles without using any gasoline and on zero emissions. And after that, you just continue driving like a normal car. The performance of the Fisker Karma is just as, I think, amazing as the low emissions of the vehicle. You're able to go from 0 to 60 in 5.8 seconds and then do a continuous top speed of 125 miles an hour. Our car is on schedule to go into production fourth quarter 2009. The starting price of this car will be around $80,000.
Roadfly.com, the internet's best resource for buyers, sellers, and owners like you.